Yes, today we are making beans soup. Wait till I talk. Beans soup called obegwa. In my husband's dialect, he's from Kogi State, Igala by tribe. So that is one of their native soup. It's called obegwa bean soup. The Yoruba version, the Yoruba call it begiri. You understand? Begiri, where you know. So begiri, they only they cook and they taste like, but you see the way I do this one. The Yoruba, the Igbo, Igala calls it obegwa. So let's go. Very nice, very sweet. This is one of the core ingredients for the soup. Okay, Prosopis Africana. The Yoruba call it iru. Iru, although the two things are not the same trees. The trees are different. The Yoruba use iru to prepare this, theirs, and we use this to prepare ours. So Prosopis Africana, crayfish, spice, seasoning cube. We have our smoked fish, Titus smoked fish. We have our crayfish and our onion and pepper to be blended. I already washed my beef. Already washed my beef. My seasoning, everything's already inside, and I have my palm oil. So let's proceed. Let's proceed in cooking. Sharp, 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 sharp. I don't have time. I have somewhere to go. So be very, very fast. Sorry, very fast in our cooking today. Then the meat has gone to the fire, so it's time to cook. We'll put our beans on fire. Put our beans on the fire as well, so that we're cooking parupa soup. Don't be small in this show. Cooking parupa soup. Parupa soup. So mind you wash the beans, you wash it very well, just like you prepare more, you understand. You come on the whole back. The way exactly they do more, that's what you go do and wash them, everything come out. Then you put them on fire. I don't really wash them. For people like hygiene, don't wash them. Sometimes I put this thing, but I say no, I don't do like that today. I don't put that in. So might as well still rinse them, you understand? It's called beans soup. Very nice, very proteinous. When I get brought to whenever I give birth, I do it. I'll do it space like, and I used to feed my kids. Just like beans. You know, children don't like eating beans. So I do it like this, space like the soup. And I used to feed them to eat as beans, you understand? So our beans will go to the fire right away. Go to the fire right away. Babe, the gas. The gas need refill. So I'm transferring the beans here. To boil for a while, then. We proceed. Thank you. So our beans should be ready now. Yes, I tell you I say the igala they know they done like the pieces like begiri. The pieces like begiri. So this one. So now it's time to put our. I told you that use water, the quantity of water you want for your soup. It's like, so I have thickener for it. Once I'm done, put my thickener. If it's not thick enough for my taste, add my thickener. I told you that you put all your ingredients. Put all the ingredients in it. So when you are done, then you can add. If it's watery, I put my thickener. It's coming out well, but let it be done first.